Welcome in and stick and stay. Let us show you the way.
Fully active.
Spice and fire in my soul. From Kingston to London, I'm taking control. With spatulas flashing and pots all alive. My kitchen's where passion comes to life. See this hot kitchen where flavors dance. Lion-hearted cooking, taking my chance. Hair tied up, ready to show how West Indian vibes makes everything flow. Mixing cultures with laughter and style. Every dish tells a story, mile after mile. From jerk seasoning to English cream tea. My kitchen's where everyone comes to be free. So this hot kitchen where flavors dance. Lion-hearted cooking, taking my chance. Hair tied up, ready to show how West Indian vibes makes everything flow.
You should turn on the light.
Strong like Scotch, wine is sweet like cane. Creating magic, that's my
Hi guys, welcome in, doing a little bit of unboxing. Time is so cold guys. The other day you watched us unboxing 2 of these, huh? And tonight we are unboxing another 2. This one though is simpler to do, yes, and this is it. Keep us really warm in the house. We also do have the radiators which I showed you. We've got that, but we like to be extra warm, you know guys, and it's about to snow. Yeah, look at this, so easy to put together. We also have the manual here. It's oil eater, really warm and nice. It does come with a guarantee as well. I think, don't quote me on this guys, but I think it is a 1-year warranty on this one. Don't you quote me on it. All I know is they are durable, they are strong. We've not been paid. It's not like an advert that we're paid for, you know. But yeah, I can tell you that the Netta is off the hook. It is off the hook, and I told you that it's 3 of them. And we did have to call in a technician to do this for us. Technician, wait. We called in a technician in the building. I don't know if it's technician we call it or engineer. Handyman. Okay, I was told that we call it a handyman. And the good news is we're not paying. We are not paying. We are not paying for this. Guys, you remember the other one over there? That's it. You see that one with the little light on? And then we are excited for this too. Yes, guys, it is the Netta, let me show you, 2500W oil heater, and we decided to go for the black. All right, so we cannot see the dust. Not too much work on this one. Yeah, that is it. Look at that, neat and shine. And the color that I love the most, it is this. Yeah, man. So guys, if you're feeling cold, if you're from Canada, if you're from the US of A, even Jamaica is cold now. So I would say, guys, rush and get one of these. Yeah, man, in Jamaica it's cold, guys. I was just listening to it on the news, and they're buying radiators, they're buying heaters. Jamaica is getting a little bit of this, and so we are prepared, guys. It's 2 of them. Look at that. The last time you saw us, it was 2 of them. Welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to the show. You are tuned into Savvy's Hot Kitchen, where everything has to be hot and off the hook. And yes, I told you that we've got our on-demand. Our on-demand. No money today. No money today. I think we have some nice jerk chicken downstairs, and that's what we're gonna be paying. But guys, stick and stay. Don't you move a muscle. And thank you so much for being a part of this nice little unboxing. This is the second unboxing that we does. I think late last year we did one with the one over there. You can see that for yourself. And really hot and nice. And today we are doing another unboxing, and it's 2 of them. That is it. I can show you now what down here looks like. It's a little bit different. I think it's the same thing. I just think it's the same thing. Look at that. You can set the timer if you want. This little red one here, you can set it to go off and come on whenever you want, and it's exactly like this one. We can always set this one whenever we want it to come on. Guys, thank you so much. And don't forget that we literally just unboxed the Netta 2500 oil heater. Thank you so much, Auntie Man. And don't forget to bring this with you. Thank you so much, guys. You're tuned into the Hot Kitchen. If you are just joining us, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when we go live, you're going to be the first to know. Stick and stay, guys, and be a part of the family. Bye. That is it.
Hot kitchen, where flavors dance. Lion-hearted cooking, taking my chance. Hair tied up, ready to show how West Indian vibes makes everything flow. Strong like Scotch bonnet, sweet like cane, creating magic, that's my game. With British charm and island flair, serving up joy beyond compare. In this kitchen, love's the key, cooking up memories wild and free. From Jamaica to UK, this is my art. Savvy's Hot Kitchen, straight from the heart.